What was it? Just trying to vlog. Holiday armadillo! Today I am pledging my birthday to charity water. Happy Monday! It's actually late in the day, but we're in bed because there's a big snowstorm outside, and because we woke up, we're pretty jet lagged. We woke up at 5:30 and crushed the day. We just well, Joey doesn't feel like he did, but I got a lot of work done. Just computer work, emails, just stuff like that. Try to catch up from being away. It's like insane snowstorm outside. We're supposed to be getting like 8 centimeters of snow or something. We're gonna order some soup and probably go to bed early because we've been waking up really early. But tomorrow, the rest of the week is like super busy, so I feel like missing today vlogging wasn't a big deal. We're gonna watch the Ted Bundy
docu-series
on Netflix and probably order some ramen and go to bed. Okay, so we are filming the Valentine's Day outfit video. All the looks are right there. Tasha's filming. I don't know what will be up first, probably this vlog, so you get a sneak peek. I'm doing the comfy staying in look right now. Okay, we're doing an abs and ass class. It's gonna be very interesting. That was really hard. I'll tell you about it when I get home, but damn. Toe socks. Oh my god. My legs were shaking. I feel nauseous. Guys, I never worked out that hard. Good morning, happy Wednesday. It's minus 16 outside today.
Feels like minus 27.
Feels like minus 27. Not down. Not down, not down.
Not down.
So what I was planning on wearing is obviously not appropriate for this. I need a hat, I think. Okay, I gotta go because I can't do this. Everything's falling. What? Hi. My sorority works out in Hershey. Oh yeah? Okay, we're going to a meeting. Should I wear my lapel mic all the time? Yeah. Oh damn, it's cold today. What is this? There's a dog. Oh. Because I have to wear more than one outfit a day. Always. So crazy. I go into makeup meetings and like I have zits everywhere or like scarring, and they're like, oh, you're cute. But like we can do something about that. I always get a zit on my scar. Isn't that weird? That is weird. Cool pants. Got so many goodies, guys. I'm so excited. Look at all these. I'm gonna start doing my eyebrows. Well, I kind of already do them, but not today. Home now from our meeting. I met with Benefit and got some amazing goodies like They gave me a full bag of stuff. So I'm really excited to try. I just started doing my eyebrows because, well, not just started. Well, yeah, kind of just started. But I didn't really do my eyebrows before because I was blonde and my eyebrows are dark and I just felt like I didn't really need to. But now that I have dark hair, I feel like doing my eyebrows is totally chill. So, progress on our home. There's been no progress. We got a TV stand here. They forgot to deliver one of the packages, so yeah. We got actual bar counter stools. So this is the counter stool. We're gonna get 2 more. We've already bought them. They're just gonna be delivered. This is definitely not even. Look at that. I wonder if it's supposed to look like that. Or maybe because I sit in it like that. Anyway, that's our counter stools that we're using. What else have we done since we last spoke? We need to put the legs on that. But we got this nice rug for here, and obviously the shoes will be not there. Nothing really new in here. It's the guest bathroom. Just have a little rug here, garbage, and then some hand towels and this cute little candle from Caudalie. I still need to get guest bathroom towels. What else? Sasha's doing this mountain, God's work, this mountain of clothes. We got our closets done. So we just reconfigured them. So we have 2 bars here and then shelving and then a bar for like dresses on that side. So just more useful. So just like 1 bar. And then I got my closet in here done as well. Actually, Joey got his done too, but this still needs to be organized. But it's just like way more useful. Everything can be organized. We have drawers and shelves. Joey got his done as well. His is obviously like super organized. Bed, everything's very messy still. We got this bed from IKEA, actually. It was very inexpensive and easy to put together, but I think it's really cute. Came with these like cute little pillow things. I got this bedside table, but I don't know if I'm gonna keep it. I was originally thinking of doing mismatched bedside tables, but I think we're just gonna get the same bedside tables, and then this is gonna go in my office. We also got this rug that is too small for this room, so that's gonna go as well, probably into my office. Nothing else has really changed here. And then we got this really great piece from West Elm, which fits perfectly into this like wall jut out thing. It was so heavy, like it's like 500 pounds when it's silver because it comes pretty much assembled. So yeah, we got that. Mirrors there. Our place is still a shit show, but hopefully by the end of the end of February, it will be done because all of our furniture is coming in. Bathroom is still a work in progress, but we got this cute little thing. This is also from IKEA, and we're just organizing it and getting product. This is all travel product, shampoos, like stuff like that. And here we did tanning stuff all behind there, and then just different categories of stuff. So like eyeliners, brow products, lip liners, lipsticks. And we found these on Amazon, these little things. I'll link them. This door is gonna fall off. Okay, that's a sketch. In here, we still need some more organization, but it's coming along. We're doing, I don't know, everything's just like sectioned off pretty much, but we're gonna organize it a little bit more. And then we still have this stuff to organize. Moving is crazy. Yeah, so hopefully by the end of February, we will have our shit together, but probably not. Going to a meeting and then going to a movie.
I'm not coming either.
He's just driving us. He's our chauffeur for the evening.
I forgot you invited.
No, I don't think so.
I have Bree and Chloe.
Bree isn't gonna be here.
I don't have Kendra on Facebook.
We're going to a meeting, by the way.
somewhat obvious.
Sorry. Okay, we're at the movie theater because we're gonna go see it's like a premiere of What Men Want Girls Night. But we're gonna get popcorn, obviously. So we're in the theater, and we came in a little late, and we're like literally pretty much touching the screen. But whatever, we got popcorn. It was really cute. I love movies like that though. What's her name again? Taraji P. Henson. I'll literally watch anything of her and I love it. Nice. Very good. Thanks for inviting me, Paramount. Thanks for inviting me, Paramount. I'm like literally as white as the wall. I'm so pale right now. I need to get a spray tan. It is minus 35 outside right now. Like, I'm not exaggerating. It's minus 19, but feels like minus 35 with the wind chill. It is insane. It's insane. No one should live in a climate like this. And for all those people who comment on my outfit video, winter outfit video saying, I don't know what winter is, blah, 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 it's minus 35. So I think I have a good idea of what very cold is. Yeah, the movie was so cute. I highly recommend. You should definitely go see it. If you like cute like rom-coms, go see it. It's really cute. Will be a good Valentine's Day movie to see with girls. Okay, so I'll see you later. Tomorrow. Bye.
Good morning.
Good morning.
What's going on?
Oh, you know, just sick again.
How'd you get sick?
You made me sick.
Yeah.
I'm booking hotel and flights. Hotel for Sasha for Fashion Week and flights for New York and Paris Fashion Week right now. Just spending all my money.
Spend money to make money, right?
Yep. And then I have a facial at 12. And then, what am I doing? We have dinner tonight?
You are?
Yeah, with Melissa.
Fun. Oh, you told me that.
And then I have to, what else do I have to do? Figure out what I'm wearing for my birthday party tomorrow.
You're having a birthday party tomorrow?
Yeah.
I wasn't invited?
Yeah, it's better if you don't come. Okay, I went for a facial today at Consonant Skincare. If you remember from my vlog titled The Last Vlog, I got before. So this is all scarring. Just trying to clear up this scarring with some light therapy and some products. My skin's looking really good. Like, I have no breakouts, no active breakouts, and I haven't for a while. So the Benzogel is working. If you didn't see my story on Instagram, I have a highlight of my new products that I'm using in my new skincare routine. It's like 3 products. One consists of Benzogel. Actually, I have it right here. Benzogel acne wash twice a day. If I have any breakouts, I use the Benzogel spot treatment, and then I use niacinamide, and I use Weleda Skin Food, and then that's it. So I'm gonna edit this video. Yeah. A couch. It's dark brown, which I feel like most people don't think is very me.
Very ass this couch.
I really like it.
I like this guy too.
And then we got some chairs. This is gonna be the living room chair. We actually meant to get 2, but they forgot one. And then these are some dining room chairs. Very nice. All right, so I'm at Vent, I don't know what it's called, Vent. And I'm getting my hair blown out because I felt like it, really. I didn't want to do it myself. I just want, I guess like a toss of ways.
Okay, cool. Yeah. Alright, and we're washing too?
Yes.
Okay, you can come on over. What do you have going on today?
I'm speaking on a panel.
Oh,
and
very
then
nice.
celebrate my birthday, so.
Oh, exciting. Yeah. Happy birthday.
Thanks.
I'm an Aquarius too.
My birthday was actually last When was it? Last week? Yeah. But yeah, I'm an Aquarius.
That's awesome.
When was it?
You're right here. I'm just gonna grab some breakfast.
Praise be. Okay, we're at QFIN, which is like a Queen's University event, and I'm speaking on a panel. So we'll get some footage of that. I got my hair done and it's okay. It's not, I mean, I could have done this myself for sure. I'm always disappointed when I get my hair curled. Okay, we gotta go. What'd you get?
I don't know. Some vino.
Birthday tonight. Okay, so we are going out to celebrate my birthday. Just wearing something like very chill to the bar. Just white jeans and then this top from Free People. I'm not gonna lie, I wore this last night too. Just with different pants. I will show you upstairs because we did get furniture and I'll show you what it looks like, but I just have to put perfume on and then we'll go upstairs. All right, this is how the furniture looks right now. We're still playing around with where we want to put the couch, here or here. And then we have another one of these chairs coming, so we will probably straighten them like that. We pushed in a bit. All this and the couch is from Article. Thank you, Article. They actually gifted us this stuff, which is pretty incredible because we had to get a new couch. That's from Article. And then we got these, which are really comfortable and very beautiful. And these are gonna be for our dining room table. They're gonna be the head chairs, we think. Place is still a mess though. Ooh, this pot looks really good. These are called the Tika Lounge chair. I think they're actually outdoor chairs, but I love it. I'm obsessed. We're getting rid of this and getting a new coffee table. We already bought it. We just need to sell this one. And then this, I'm not sure exactly. The Berard couch. And this is the darker color brown, but it's coming together. It's only been 2 months.
Happy birthday.
Mazel tov.